It started with an arrest and a strip search. It quickly escalated into a diplomatic crisis between India and the United States. But both sides are hoping action taken on Friday can finally resolve the situation. The Indian diplomat at the center of the case has flown back to India after being granted diplomatic immunity from prosecution in the U.S. for visa fraud. And the United States says it will withdraw a diplomat from India at the country's request. We discussed the case earlier with our correspondent in New Delhi, Shweta Bajaj.
The return of Indian diplomat Devyani Khobra Gare to India doesn't mean the dispute is over. Before she got on a plane bound for New Delhi, India asked the United States Embassy here to withdraw an American diplomat of similar rank. A tit-for-tat maneuver that indicates that relations between the US and India could still worsen. A US grand jury indicted Khobra Gare for alleged visa fraud and making false statements on a visa application for her Indian-born housekeeper, both criminal charges under the US law. Now on Thursday, the housekeeper Sangeeta Richards said Khobra Gare paid her less than $9.75 an hour required by US minimum wage law. Now Richards said Khobra Gare also refused Richards' request to return home to India. Khobra Gare denies any wrongdoing. While Khobra Gare and her supporters contest the charges, what has outraged Indians most was the way US authorities treated Khobra Gare, a deputy consul general and mother of 2 young children. After her arrest, US Marshals strip-searched the diplomat and locked her in cell with other criminal defendants before releasing her on a $250,000 bail. Although she's now back in India, the charges remain pending in the United States. She could still face criminal prosecution if she returns to the US. Her husband and 2 daughters remain in America but are likely to join her later in India. Shweta Bajaj, CCTV, New Delhi.